Hey there, campers. It's Barry here with Southern RV, where we've just taken delivery of this awesome new Zinger 298 BH. What makes this cool is that it's a bath and a half bunkhouse floor plan with only one slide. We're going to check out the outside and the inside, so hang on tight and let's get right into it. All right, so outside of this vehicle, as we're walking up to the front of it, one of the first things that we'll notice is that it does have an electric tongue jack up there. So that's going to make hitching and unhitching pretty easy. We have this great rock guard down low, and we are pre-wired for a solar trickle charger panel, essentially. The panel doesn't come with it, but we've got all the wiring in place to be able to run it. Up front, we do have some pass-through storage. You can see it runs through all the way clear to the other side. Our stabilizer jacks are going to be electric, so they're going to operate at the push of a button, as you can see here as they start to come down. So these are for stabilization, not for leveling, but again, electric, so pretty easy to operate. If we look up under, you'll notice that we have an enclosed underbelly, so that's going to help keep this thing nice and toasty and keep your water lines from freezing in the winter. We have two entrances. This is not the main entrance, but that one does head up into the front bedroom of this unit. The main entrance has the larger handle and the solid steps that we see over here. Outside, another thing that's worth mentioning is that we have outside speakers. That's what these little guys are. The awning is LED lit. And we have all of our hookups for television. So we've got a GFCI outlet in addition to our cable out here as well. To the end of the camper, we notice that we have a small outside kitchen area. It's got a sink, a little 2-burner stove, as well as a small refrigerator. That's an electric refrigerator. On the very back of the camper, you'll notice that we have a bumper mounted spare tire. This is pre-wired for a Furrion backup camera. That's what that little box right there is. So if you did choose to install one, it's all ready to go. All you have to do is hook it all up. Also off the back side of the camper, we'll find our power, as well as an outside shower, and below all of that we've got our sewer hookups. So let's check out the inside of the vehicle. We'll run back around to the front. So as we climb up into the vehicle, the first thing that we come to in our hallway here is our pantry. So the bunks are going to be on the left and the pantry is going to be immediately on the right here. Let me shut that door behind me. And if I spin around, you'll see there's our entry door. And this is our pantry door. Let me open that up for you. What I like is that this is a nice deep pantry. The shelves are generously spaced and deep. Now notice that they've offset the shelves towards the back of the closet as well. That means you're going to be able to stand up brooms, mops, vacuum cleaners. You could even install a little coat rack right there if you wanted to hang up jackets and such. Just to the left of the door as you come up in, you'll find the 2 oversized bunks. So these are double wide. And notice there's a ladder heading up right there and some storage on the underside. You could store, luggage cases, a handful of other things up under there. This door here is one of the 2 bathrooms. This is our full bathroom in the very back of the camper. So you can see we've got a decent shower surround, some storage, as well as our foot flush toilet, our sink, and some storage down beneath. as well as a medicine cabinet that opens up. Kind of slick. Moving from there, we hit our combined living room, dining room / kitchen area. We have a jackknife couch, so that will lay flat and become a bed. That is directly across from the entertainment center. And our entertainment center has a fireplace down low, a little sound bar, Bluetooth sound bar, and a spot for you to hook up your TV with some storage up above. We have a 12-volt refrigerator, and our kitchen space has a 3-burner stove hiding beneath the glass top, our microwave up top, and our sink cover will reveal a large single basin stainless steel sink. They've given us generous cabinetry, so in the form of all of this overhead cabinet that we see here, as well as drawers and cabinets down beneath. So there's plenty of kitchen storage here, especially when you consider that large pantry that's up front. This table, and it's a U-shaped dinette, the table will pop off and lay flat, and that can create another bed for us. Notice we have these doors on either side of it. Those pop open to reveal even more spots for storage. So that's accessible on both sides. As we push to the bedroom, one thing to take notice of is that as we come into the hall, there are plenty of extra storage options for the bedroom. These cabinets open up and give us extra space to stash dry goods, towels, whatever else you can think of. There is the traditional closets on either side of the bed, as well as the shelf up above. All of our air in here is ducted. This bed is a queen, and there is storage up underneath it as well. Now, as I was saying outside, this is a bath and a half model. So if I turn here and back up, you'll notice that at the foot of the bed, we have our half bath. Now, this is only accessible from the bedroom, and it contains that medicine cabinet as well as a sink and some storage down below. So that gives the parents a place to use the restroom of the evening, and it's completely separate from the kids, so you don't have to hear them in the middle of the night. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of this great new floor plan from Zinger. We've got it here in stock at Southern RV as of right now. You can come see it for yourself. We're in McDonough, Georgia, right off of I-75. Or you can visit us online at southernrv.com. Until next time, happy camping.